up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, please welcome, consider subscribing, hit that bell, turn on your post notifications before we start into this video, guys. So guys, we have a package, y'all. We have a Louis Vuitton handbag that was sent to me. So we're gonna get into this review. I'm gonna rate this item, y'all, and we're gonna see exactly what it looks like, the style, the colors, and all that fun stuff. So before we start, y'all, comment, like, and subscribe, hit the bell. So let's get into the video, guys. This video was sponsored by Coeebags, and they have a lot of luxury handbags on the website. So I'm going to open up this box, and I just love the box, y'all. Look how pretty the box is. I love the color. It's just so pretty. You can open it and just stick it up in your closet and just make it look pretty. Or if you have like a stand with pocketbooks and purses, you could just stick this on the back and just make your little stand look pretty. So let me get into it, y'all, and we're gonna talk about this handbag, y'all. I'm gonna put a link in the description for coeebags.su if you would like to order this bad boy, okay? So I just know it's a bad boy. I just know, okay? Just by looking at the box, I just think it's just too pretty, y'all. So let me open it up, and I'm going to let you guys know more about this nice gift handbag. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm opening up the package, y'all. I'm opening it like this. Okay, I just love the box. This is the inside of the handbag, guys. It comes with this. It says Louis Vuitton, guys. So very, very pretty and stylish, y'all. So this is what it looks like inside. And this is like a receipt. This bag, this is the Louis Vuitton receipt that comes inside, guys. Very stylish, luxury handbag, y'all. This is the other receipt that comes in the bag from the Louis Vuitton company, guys. You get another receipt inside. Very, very nice. Very fancy, y'all. So I'm also going to take this out. Okay, so the name of the handbag that I'm opening is a Louis Vuitton neverfull bag. I'm just loving how it looks so far. Please leave some comments, hit a like, let me know what y'all think. Just by looking at the bag inside, it just looks so pretty, so girlish. If y'all been rocking with me for so long, y'all know I love pretty things. I love pretty colors. Plus the summer is here, honey. So we need to look very stylish, very summerish, very playful. So I am opening this up. And, ooh, it's so pretty. OMG, y'all. This Louis Vuitton neverfull bag is just so pretty. So this is what it looks like so far, y'all. I'm just loving this. It smells so good. It smells like leather. This is so cute. I'm loving it. So this is the handbags itself. It is so pretty. Look at it. Now I believe that's why it's called neverfull, because you could just fill this bad boy up and go along your day, honey. You can go out on a date, go out with your family, or just be solo by yourself and go to the mall to shop, honey. Look how pretty this is. I'm in love with this color, y'all. This bag is it, y'all. Look how pretty. And I love the handles. They're golden. Golden buckles on the side. I love the Louis Vuitton print. I'm gonna hold it up closer to you guys, so you guys can really get a close-up on it. And now I do love the handles. The handles are beige. They are really cute. The handles are a nice size, so you can just stick your arm in it. Now, I'm a plus size woman, so of course I'm gonna need my pocketbook handles to be large. so I could put my arms in them, honey. I just love this so far. Now we're gonna look in the inside of this purse and we're just going to see what is inside. I love that the color inside is like, it has like a red trim. And then you also have the Louis Vuitton patch inside. Okay, this is the inside. I'm trying to show you guys the engraving on the inside of the bag, y'all. Louis Vuitton 1854 Mason. Yes, this is really nice. It also has a zipper, a little pouch, so you can put little things in here. You want to put your change in here. And I love that the zipper's cute. It have that little red trim in the inside. This bag is just so summerish. It's just so cute. You can rock this with any outfit. You want to throw on some jeans. And I had to wear my Louis Vuitton scarf, y'all, just because I have a Louis Vuitton purse. So I'm like, let me just throw on my scarf with it, okay? But anywho, guys, it also has so much room inside. It also comes with this wallet pouch, y'all. Now, I'm loving this wallet, y'all. Look at this. This is so cute. Now, it also have a little strap, y'all. So if you want to just rock this by itself, you don't want to feel like wearing a handbag, you can just wear your little wallet. So I'm just gonna open it, guys. And it has like a little Louis Vuitton pamphlet inside this, and it just shows you how to take care of this bag. Like, I'm loving this. You got a little booklet inside of this wallet, y'all. Another little pouch that have the Louis Vuitton information on it, honey. This is giving. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to apply my little straps on here. And I'm gonna see how this does. I believe this is like a little clutch, but that's still fine. It's just too cute, right? So I'm just trying to apply this little buckle on here. And once you get it on, you can wear this as like a little, you can wrap this on your arm, which is cute, girl. This is cute. Look, you could just go along your day with this. Look how cute this is. Now, if this ain't the cutest little pouch wallet, so cute, so cute. Or if you don't want to rock the little strap, you can just take this off and just wear it like that. So let me just see what's in the inside. The inside also is like a beige. It's a beige with the white as well. Look how cute. And just to let you guys know, you will be getting a percentage off. All you have to use is my code. That is Faith13. You would get 13% off, guys. You can't beat that. So I will have this in the link in the description just in case you would like to order. Shout out to Coeebags. They are doing their thing, honey. This is so cute. So if you want to wear them together, you can put all your little knickknacks in here, throw this inside, and go about your day, honey. This is cute, okay? It also comes with this little dust bag, and you can just put your bag in here when you come home. Put it in here to keep clean, which is a plus, y'all. This is cute as well, honey. Yes. Drop some comments and let me know what y'all think. So far, I'm loving it. I'm gonna give it a 10, y'all. It also have this Louis Vuitton bag, just in case you want to just put your bag in here. You could just put your bag in here, y'all. So this is just extra cute. I just love it, y'all. I love the box. Shipping was absolutely great. You get a tracking number and you will be updated on your delivery. I love this little receipt, little booklet on how much everything was. And you can go onto the website. They have tons and tons of luxury handbags, y'all. So I'm gonna see what this look like with me on it. I'm gonna put some things in here, so give me one moment, y'all. Y'all know I got them out of real. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what the bag looks like, honey. It's giving me life. It's just it, honey. Yes. Look how cute this is. And I'm also going to just see what the little pouch looks like, you know, once you wear it. But I do like it has a lot of arm room in the pouch. It's just so cute. Yes. Very cute. Very stylish, honey. Yes. I'm loving it. It just feels so springish, very summerish. Let me know what y'all think about this Louis Vuitton handbag. It's just really cute. Now let me see what the little wallet looks like. If I just want to rock it alone. So let me see, honey. Okay, so if you just want to rock it like this on a nice day, honey, I think I'm gonna rock it like this. Put on some nice little jeans, a little cute shirt, maybe the same color shirt, some sneakers, and you just gonna be in a vibe. Like, honey, this is really it. Very cute, y'all. Do y'all like this pouch, this little wallet pouch? Are y'all like a bag girl, or you're like maybe a wallet girl, you don't like a big bag? Well, sometimes I feel like a big bag, and some days I feel like a little bag. So guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Shout out to Coeebags for reaching out to me. I appreciate you so much. Okay, and for everyone that came on my video, thank you so much for joining my video. You guys are the best. I love you guys so much. So I'm gonna end my video now. I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please shop at Coeebags, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Stay blessed. Stay amazing. Stay humble. Keep pushing hard. Reach for your dreams. And stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Bye, y'all.